Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to use the MCQ feature, one of the most popular features of the ExamMate website. To use this feature while logged in, click on the My Account button. From the left side menu, click on MCQ Past Papers. You will be directed to the MCQ Past Papers page. Some curriculum and subjects include multiple choice papers, and we have included them in this feature. Without having subscription of this feature, you are not able to see the recent year's questions. To purchase subscription, click on Not Subscribed and enter the MCQ Online Practice Pricing page. After purchasing subscription, back to the left side menu and click on MCQ Past Papers. You'll enter the MCQ Past Papers page, where you can see the status of your subscription. This feature has two different types of practicing: yearly MCQ papers and topical MCQ questions. Let's start by explaining yearly MCQ papers. Select your desired curriculum, subject, paper, year, season and zone. Click on the Search button. In the left window, you will see all the questions of filtered paper. At the top of the left window, there is a timer that starts working after clicking the Search button and specifies the time taken of your exam. By clicking on each question, you'll view its content of the question in the right window. Click on question 1, read the question, and choose the correct answer here. After answering question 1, a check mark appears next to it on the left, indicating that you've answered it. Proceed to next question. If you want to back again to this question, click on the shape of the flag next to the question. This strategy will help you optimize your time. Continue this process until the last question. Click on Get Results button to see the result. Result panel will open at the top of filter box. It shows the percentage of correctly answered questions, number of correct and incorrect answers. On the right, you'll find the local start time of the exam. Time taken indicates the duration of the exam. The Close button clears the result panel. The Restart button resets the exam for another attempt. Another Restart button is here. In the left window, you can review the details of your answers. If you have answered the question correctly, you will see a green check mark next to the question. If your answer is wrong, you will see a red X mark. If you have not answered the question, you will see a circle. The correct answer option is visible beside each question. Clicking on any question shows the answer in the right side window. Click the Restart button to retake. Each time you click Restart button, the timer on the top left of the window will reset to 0. Now, let's explain topical MCQ questions. In the previous section, we filtered a paper, but in this part, we will filter topical questions. Select your desired curriculum, subject, topics, papers, years and seasons and click on the Search button. If you have less than 50 questions, all will be displayed in the left window. But if you have more than 50 questions, each time you click the Search button, the system will display maximum 50 questions in the left window. Clicking Search button again will randomly present another set of 50 questions based on your filtered options. Filtered questions are shown in left side window, and you can start answering based on the instructions explained earlier. Clicking the Restart button allows you to retake the same questions. By clicking Search button again, the questions may will be changed. For a better understanding of using the ExamMate website, Be sure to watch our other videos.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends.
Let's prepare for exam, mate.